Yeah, now I'm going to explain about is a measure ambient temperature using a sensor and SPI ADC. So in this experiment, we are measuring the actual temperature using the sensor. Sensor here we are using normally LM335 and then SPI A to D converter IC, the serial port A to D converter IC. So here it is a program. So in this program for ambient temperature measurement using the sensor and SPI device IC. So two things required here. One is the internal UART, another one is a temperature code. So here internal UART, why we are using means, so whatever measurement we are doing, temperature measurement, that will be displayed in internally UART. So it is a universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter internal UART. It will show in a Windows form whatever temperature we measured. So this is a code for internal UART. So here different registers we are using. So LCR, DLM, DLL, LCR, FCR, IER, different registers we are using. So this is a line control register to enable the divisor latch, parity enable, stop and stop bit, 8-bit word length. For all we are using line control register, and these two are divisor least is the most significant bit, divisor line least significant bit. Okay, so for using the calculate the baud rate. And next again line control register, and then FIFO control register, first in first out control register, and last one is the interrupt enable register. So interrupt enable register used to transmit and receive the interrupt signals from system to is a UART, internal UART. And then we are using the NVIC, is a nested vector interrupt controller, to assign the channel for UART. And this is a code for UART interrupt request handler code. Okay, this code already explained in previous program. So next we'll go to temperature sensor code. So here in temperature sensor code, mainly we are doing the temperature calculation and then we are using the sensor. So here LM335 sensor we are using. This is a LM335 temperature sensor. And then using this sensor, so 0 degrees to 270 degrees Kelvin, 270 degrees again converting into the voltage reference normally. So here internally basically we are giving the V reference voltage. So this is a 5100 millivolts. So this is a board to board, it will change this value. Here ARM Cortex we are using LP circuit. So in this 17 series we are using V reference 5100 millivolts. So this is a complete calculation for temperature measurement, is temperature calculation formulas all we are using, and this is a code. So here initially we unsigned character, unsigned int, unsigned character we are taking for the different data. So okay, so here floating point, again volatile, unsigned, average. This is a completely for data variables, and then entering into the main program. So here in main program, this is initially we are selecting the port selection and then chip selection. Okay, FIO DIR, FIO SET, we are using different registers. After that we initializing here UART, internal UART, to display the whatever measured temperature, and then entering into the while loop. So in while loop actually we are taking this measurement calculation whatever done, that formulas all we are writing in a programming form here. Okay, so this is a program for calculating ambient temperature using sensor and SPI DIC. Okay, so in this actually no need of LCD. So after saving this program, compiling and then build the program, rebuilding, and then we'll go to the debug, start debug. So once start the debug, run the program. After run the program, we'll go to the view. Next in view, serial window, UART1. Okay, once you click on UART in serial window, it will show the whatever temperature is there using LM335. This is the temperature in degrees, 26.86 degrees Celsius.